Hi, everyone. My name is Peter Lim. I pastor a church out here in the Metro Atlanta area called Four Points Church of Atlanta. I'm super excited to be with you all on January 17th and 18th at the 2025 Mental Health Conference. I'm incredibly humbled and privileged to be part of a panel on day one, but also to be able to lead a workshop on day two. And the title of the workshop simply is Asian American Spiritual Formation, A Journey of Integration. The reason why this is so important to me is that I pastor a church, even though we are not exclusively Asian American, we are unapologetically Asian American. We have discovered that there are certain challenges that are unique to our Asian American experience, certain nuances, certain experiences, and these are incredibly important to our spiritual formation, to our discipleship. Much of the material and the curriculum that is out there about discipleship or spiritual formation, though it may be good, I believe is missing, especially for our Asian American discipleship, Asian American spiritual formation. I believe that there are three vital legs, three vital prongs that are so important to our Asian American Christian discipleship and spiritual formation. Think of it as a three-legged stool. The first leg is biblical theology. I think biblical theology is absolutely vital. It helps and teaches us who we are as God has designed us and created us, and helps us affirm and understand who we are as image bearers of God. But the second prong, I believe, is oftentimes missing in most of the spiritual formation discipleship curriculum out there, and that is our Asian American experience, our Asian American story, our Asian American history, both collectively and individually. And the third and final leg that I believe is so vital, and that is how my talk connects and is integrated to the broader talk, is mental and emotional health. Mental and emotional health is so, so vital for our spiritual formation and discipleship. And in many ways, you can't talk about our Asian American experience and history without talking about mental and emotional health. And I believe integrating all three of these aspects are absolutely key and vital to our spiritual formation as Asian American Christians. I'm a practitioner. I don't have all the answers. What I would love to do in this workshop is to share with you some of the things that we've done and we're trying to do and experimenting as a church and as a community to try to build up these three prongs, to try to build this solid three-legged stool. But I also love to hear from you all in terms of what you're doing and your experiences. And I believe collectively, as we come together and share our collective wisdom together, that I believe we can find out and discover greater and better ways for us to truly invest and help build a robust culture, robust ethos of spiritual formation for our Asian American Christian brothers and sisters. I'm super excited again to be with you all. And I hope all of you, if you are able, please come and join and be a part of this conversation. Thank you. And blessings to you all.